today's video, we're going to be walking a giant trail. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button, smash that bell, smash that like button, and don't forget, comment down below what you want us to do in my grandma's and grandpa's house. So, let's get in the video, and let's do this. 10,000 years later. Okay, we're here. 10,000,000 years later. We're finally here, where the big rocks are, snakes are. So let's go on this path. Pretty sick, huh? Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Okay, let's go on the trail. 10,000 years later.
This is a great trail.
Here we are, right here. We're going down it.
Pick me up.
Let's go. Look, here I go. Could be poison ivy. Let's walk the path, because we're going to a pond. Let's go. Oh, I think that's poison ivy. Well, this is a river. Now that you can see, let me bring you a little bit closer. And I know you hear my mom yelling, but this is Callie, one of my dogs. That's Cody, my grandma's dog, and my grandpa's. So you see this beautiful river right here? This is where me and my dad fish. This is where our boat is. It's right over there. There's a ton of you subscribed on my videos, but you're 100. Never mind. But these are my mom. This is my little brother, and that's my grandma. She's a nurse. And my mom is a hard worker. So let's go. I'm walking on my trail, my destiny, till I die from these dogs. Oh my God, in my dreams, oh my God, in my pains, I am walking on the dangerous trail. Dangerous in this trail, Happy is how I know you go on. Open the door. Hi. Open. Brought your tears on your heart. So we're here at my dad's boat. It's a beautiful river. We go fishing. Let me get on the boat real quick and show you a big view. Let me get on here. Oh, it's not bad. It is not bad. So this is the boat, pretty much. So pretty. This is an awesome video. So make sure you tuned in to the end. Cause these guys there's some good big 5-pounder bass I caught. Bass. 5 pounds is ginormous heavy. 4 pounds, biggest forest bass in the world I caught. But so this is a good bait. This really is. That, and now that you see the water, well, this is for the first walk. So 10,000 years later. Okay, now we're going on a different walk over there. So let's do this, guys.
Oh.
Let's go. Almost made it. What the?
That looks like a giant snake with a missing head.
Is it?
Look, keep that thing away from the water.
Oh my God.
Look at that thing. Does that look like a dead snake to you?
Yeah.
Ew, that's a water snake, y'all. Ew!
That's moving.
No, it's not.
Look.
It's dead. Pause. Can I pause this
Oh
video?
my God.
This needs to be paused, okay?
No.
You can get back to it.
It's a giant. Guys.
Just don't get it near the water. Oh, there's its head. Jesus, God. Look. It is a giant snake. Mom, look at this.
It's a giant snake.
It's dead, but it's huge.
Oh my God. I was thinking of
You think? I don't know. It looks like it. It's got a head. Ah, the head's separated though.
Oh, the dog separated.
That's the head. And there's the body that just went underwater. Look how big it is. Here, dig it out. There's the head right there.
That's the one I killed.
Get that away. Is it?
That's the one I killed.
Why is it right here though?
I don't know. It must have washed up, but that's the one I chopped him off right there. And that head lived for almost 24 hours.
Jesus. Look at the body.
That's awesome.
Oh my God,
And the
it's
body
huge.
Oh, that's a real
Stay back.
copperhead.
That is a real copperhead.
Wow.
Now let me tell you something else about copperhead. See the colors first? He's got those like brown, like almost triangles. Okay.
A biting snake.
Stay
But the
away, dog.
head,
Callie,
look
no.
Look at the head. The head is like a triangle. And he's got a little like pits on the top of his face.
And his eyes are kind of
Did he
And
last?
his eyes are slanted.
Did he last for 24 hours?
Callie,
His head moved and his tongue stuck out for maybe not 24.
Callie.
Well, let's
many,
go.
Many hours.
Let's go to the other pond.
Hey,
Let's go on the trail to the pond now.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to the trail near the pond. Smells like poop. So let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Here the blue blazes we go. Could be a snake, I don't know, maybe. So, walking on a trail, we're walking on a trail. Walking on a trail, trail. Walking on a trail, walking on a trail. Walking on a trail, trail. Walking on a trail, walking on a trail. Walking on a trail, walking on a trail. We're walking on a trail. You're walking on a trail. You're walking on a trail. Walking. You're walking. You're walking on a trail. You're walking on a trail in the woods. You're walking a trail in the woods. You're walking on a trail in the woods, and you're marching on a trail in the woods. Marching on a trail in the woods. We are marching on a trail in the woods. Marching on a trail in the woods. We're marching on a trail in the woods. Or marching on the woods. So don't forget, like the video, like my channel, smash that subscribe button on all that channels. Now let's get into this. We made it almost half the way. We're going on a trail, going on a trail, going on a trail. 10,000 years later, we are finally almost here. Let me just do another one of those. A year later, finally almost here. A year later, again, we are here. Marching on the woods, we're marching on the woods. We're marching on the woods. Marching on the woods. Right here. We're marching on the woods. We're marching on the woods. Marching on the woods. Okay. We're marching at the woods. Marching on the woods. Marching of the woods. Marching of the woods. Marching in the woods. Marching on the woods. So now that you guys can see, we're at the pond. See it a little bit? Hope you will. Dog's going fast. There's the pond. That's basically the video. Bye guys, have a fantastic day. Have fun. Bye.